In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Power BI. To get started, open Power BI on your computer and wait for the main screen to load completely. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This opens the main menu where Power BI keeps a lot of the app's settings and account-related options. From there, find and click Options and Settings. When that menu expands, select Options. This will open the Power BI Options window, which is where you can manage different features and preferences for the application. Now, in the panel on the left side of the Options window, look for the Copilot section. This is the area where Power BI gives you control over Copilot-related settings. If the option is available in your version of Power BI, you'll be able to go into that section and turn Copilot off. One important thing to know is that the Copilot option only appears if you're signed in with your Microsoft account. So if you open the Options window and don't see the Copilot setting, or if it appears unavailable, that usually means you are not logged in, or the feature is not currently active in your environment. In some cases, availability can also depend on your organization's setup or the version of Power BI you're using. If the Copilot setting is visible, this is where you can simply toggle it off to disable the feature. After making the change, it's a good idea to close the Options window properly so the setting is saved. If needed, you can also restart Power BI afterward to make sure the change takes effect cleanly. If you're following along and the option is grayed out or missing, don't worry. The key thing is that you're in the correct location. Once you're signed in with the appropriate Microsoft account and Copilot is enabled for your setup, this same path is where you'll return to disable it. So, to quickly recap, open Power BI, click File, go to Options and Settings, choose Options, then find Copilot on the left side. If it's available, you can turn it off right there. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.